How to earn online money. Earning money has typically been associated with and restricted to traditional offline route. With the internet taking over a large part of our lives, more people are looking to ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows with secondary income streams. You should be mindful of the platform that you choose. While there are numerous ways to earn money online, some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount of quickly when using online avenues to earn money. With the situation involving more time at home and or more free time in general, maybe fewer working hours. For some of you might have some free time on hands. Here are online platforms, websites, and tools that can help you earn money online. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There are several websites offering freelancing tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is the create an account, browse throughout the listening, and apply for the task that suits you. Some websites may even require to create a personal listing with the details of your skill set so that interested clients can contact you directly out favor. Upwork.com, freelancer.com, and workhire.com are some websites that provide freelancing jobs. You can earn anywhere between $5 and $100 through these websites. But remember, you will only get paid once you successfully complete the given task and it has been approved and your client. This may even mean revising the work several times unless the requirements of your clients are met. Some sites may ask you to set up a PayPal account as most clients prefer to make payment digitally via it. Number two, starting your own website. There is enough material available online that help you put together a website. This includes choosing the domain templates, layout, and the overall design for your own websites. Once ready to service to visitors with the relevant content, sign up for Google AdSense, which when appear on your website and clicked on by visitor help you make money. The more traffic you get on your website, the more will be the potential for the higher earning. Number 3. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Once your website is up and running, you could once your website is up and running, you could option for affiliate marketing by allowing companies to insert web links on your site. This is like a symbiotic partnership when visitors to your site buy products or service by clicking on such links you earn out from it. Number 4, surveys, searches, and reviews. There are various websites offering money to undergo online survey, carrying out online searches, and write reviews on products. To get the credit, one needs to disclose certain information to them, including one's banking details. This is why you should use these routes with utmost care. Some of them may even ask you to register with them before working on projects. The most important watch out in such projects is to stay away from websites offering money that appears too good to be true. Be careful. Be careful, most site promotes business showing copies of check payments which may have been given to middlemen only. Number 5. Number 5, virtual assistantship. Doing all the corporate stuff from one's home is what is virtual assistant VA does. VAs basically work remotely with their clients and manage the aspects of their business that they are too busy to handle themselves. When you work as virtual assistant, you can choose to work as an employee or you can set up your own business. VAs are skilled